If you are thinking of becoming a business analyst or leveling up as one, here is the truth no one tells you. Most online courses, they waste your time. I know because I have spent over 200 hours going through more than 50 different courses. Some looked impressive but didn't teach me anything useful. Others, they were hidden gems. They taught me more than I learned in months on the job. So today, I am sharing the top 5 courses that actually help you become job ready, plus a bonus certification that gives your resume a serious edge. That certification, it is one of the fastest ways to stand out in a competitive job market. I will tell you what it is right after the 5th course. Whether you are just starting out or already in the game, these will move you forward. And if you stay till end, I'll tell you exactly how to connect these courses to land your first or next BA job faster. Let's start with the most beginner friendly course I found. IBM Business Analyst Certificate. This one's perfect if you are starting from scratch. No tech background, no jargon. The IBM Business Analyst Certificate on Coursera feels like a warm-up session before the real match. You will learn how to gather requirements, build process flows, and work with tools like Excel and Congos, all in super simple language. What I love is it teaches you how to think like a business analyst before it throws tools at you. Most beginner courses skip that part. It's project based, so you build things as you learn. It is best for freshers, career switchers, and non-tech folks. It would take around 3 months if you study 5 hours per week. Oh, and bonus, it even helps you prepare for ECBA exam later. Now, if IBM gives you the foundation, the next course gives you hands-on practice with real projects. Second, Microsoft Business Analyst Professional Certificate. This one is underrated. Taught by Microsoft instructors, it dives deep into how businesses actually run and how BAs solve problems using modern tools. Think of this course as a map of how companies make decisions, improve processes, and handle data. What I liked most were the hands-on projects, like making process diagrams in Visio or working with data in Excel and Power BI. At the end, there is a final project where you solve a real-world business problem, which is great practice for job interviews. This is best for beginners, career switchers, or anyone with basic Excel or Microsoft Office experience. It would take around 3 months at 10 hours per week. By the way, quick heads up, I have an offer where I can help you get Coursera and subscription at the best discounts. If that would help you out, just drop a comment discount below and I'll send you the information. But what if you are the kind of learner who wants to master the full job role, not just theory? That's where the next one shines. Course 3rd, Business Analysis Fundamentals. If you ever felt confused reading job descriptions, this course clears the fog. Taught by Jeremy, who has worked as a business analyst for over a decade. This Udemy course is like listening to a friend break down everything in plain English. You will learn how to write user stories, create wireframes, understand agile versus waterfall, and yes, there are quizzes and downloadable templates. What I really liked, it shows you what a day in a life of a BA looks like. No theory, just real world stuff. This is best for learners who want examples, templates, and job interview clarity. It would take around 8 to 9 hours, but you will rewatch parts before interviews. Trust me. Here is a bonus. It's IIBA endorsed and gives you 7.5 PD hours you can use toward ECBA certification. If you want a complete step-by-step roadmap to becoming a business analyst, including which course to start with based on your background, what to put in your portfolio, and how to land interviews, just drop a comment saying roadmap and I'll share it with you. And if you love learning with structure, the next course packed with real tools used on the job. Don't just scroll. We are building real careers here, not wish list. Course 4, Business Analysis, A to Z Masterclass. This one's for folks who want deep practical skills and tool-based learning. Taught by Meetul, Patel, It is a 31-hour masterclass that covers everything a BA does. From writing BRDs and FRDs to creating wireframes, diagrams in Visio, and even managing tasks in Jira from industries like finance, insurance, e-commerce, and more, and even simulate BA interviews. This is best for professionals who want hands-on training, real tools, and interview preparation. It would take around 31 hours but packed with resume-worthy skills. Alright, now let's talk about the most practical course on the list. It's the one I recommend to anyone who wants to build BA deliverables before scratch. The course 5th, Business Analysis Modeling, Skills and Techniques. This course focuses on one of the most powerful but underused BA skills, visual modeling. In just 6.5 hours, you will learn to create 8 of the most common diagram types: flowcharts, use cases diagrams, SWOT analysis, stakeholder maps, organization chart, and more, all using Visio or Excel. The best part, it follows a teach, show, do format, meaning you will learn, see, and then build each model yourself. This is best for intermediate learners and visual thinkers who wants to visualize the data. Let's talk bonus. ECBA certification by IIBA. None of the courses I mentioned are official certification, but this is. The ECBA Entry Certificate in Business Analysis is offered by IIBA. It is globally recognized and shows you understand core BA concepts. Here is the best part. The 5 courses I just shared, they naturally prepare you for the ECBA. No extra course needed. If you are a fresher, a career switcher, or someone from non-tech background, this certification builds instant trust with recruiters. Alright, let's wrap this up. Remember, courses don't get you hired, but the right knowledge. Show the right way. So, don't just collect certificates, build a story, a skill set, a portfolio. If you want to see exactly how I became a business analyst in just 3 months, tap the video on screen now. I'll walk you through my full journey from confusion to confidence. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with the course you are starting first, or ask me for a custom plan. Let's build your BA career the smart way.